Gelli. We've got video 3, KARL-JAMES Langford, and we're following a sort of trackway which drops away on the left up above where the council tip is. And so we come along, we follow this wall again, video 3, and this is very, very interesting. We've got a circular round building as Morian 2 nearly kills himself, and this is very impressive. It's almost at the end of this wall here, and it's a nice bit of a circle, quite small round structure. Now if I was to give this a date, I'm not going to give an Iron Age date or anything, but if this is obviously clearly a building, and this would be a storage building, and the similarities with this, as I've actually seen, exactly the same type of size as storage buildings for the Iron Age village at Holyhead on Anglesey. So if I'm going to do a parallel, this is very similar to the Iron Age buildings on Anglesey, but slightly different from the ones at Blind Rhondda, because this is a lot smaller, and obviously this is why I'm saying it's a storage building as we sweep away, and we've got the wall. And it was KARL-JAMES Langford, video 3, and Gelli. Look at that wonderful, beautiful view. And in the summer, I'm sure you can come out with me and look at these sites. Thank you very much.